Hi, welcome back to Norma's Beauty Corner. So I am back with another video. This video is going to be a quick get ready with me. I have a couple of errands to run, so I thought why not record it. In this video, I'm going to be using this Mac Eyeshadow Palette from the Snowball collection from, I believe maybe, might have been 2 years ago. Yeah, I'm still using products from back then. So this one is the Rose Gold Eyeshadow Palette. So I'll be using it along with some other products. I will be using a new foundation from what I'm used to. This one will be an Hourglass that I've never used, so along with other products, so you'll see. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Norma. Welcome to my channel. I love doing beauty videos, so if those are your type of videos, you should consider subscribing. Definitely click the notification bell so you'll be notified of upcoming videos, and yeah, stick around. For those of you who are already subscribed, hi, welcome back. I'm glad to see you. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so if you're ready, let's get started. All right, so for foundation, I got this Hourglass sample little packet with foundations. I've never tried anything from Hourglass, so I'm kind of curious to see how their foundation works out. Supposedly this one is called Vanish. It's cruelty-free. It says the future of foundation, and it comes with a couple of sample shades. So I think my closest color would be either nude or shell. So I'll try both of these and see which one I closely match. This one is supposed to be a 24-hour long wear, and it's vegan and cruelty-free. Yeah, so let's try it out. It's supposed to be a seamless finish liquid foundation. Highly concentrated liquid foundation designed to deliver instant full coverage for virtual skin perfection. This innovative weightless formula applies like a second skin, creating a smooth and flawless complexion with a radiant satin finish. Yeah, so we will see. All right, so this color here is the shell color. So I'll put shell here. And this one here is the nude. Looks a little more, this is more ivory toned, and this one's a little more gold, a little deeper in brown. I think I might match better to the shell color. Alright, let's try the other one. I actually think I like this one better. The shell color. Okay, there is some luminous in there. So I could see a little bit of some kind of glow or a little bit of shine here. So yeah, this foundation has a bit of some luminous in there. And of course that just all depends whether you like it. If you like that kind of glow. For me, I'm not really fond of it. I'd rather have matte, all completely, no shine, just kind of flat. I am going to use my Patrick Star setting powder. So now I'm going to prime my eyes with Soft Ochre from MAC. I'm going to use this RCMA powder on my eyes just to kind of give it a smooth finish on my eyelid. It just really helps the eyeshadows glide. So I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using this on my other eye. I'm wondering if it'll make this brown color pop. So we'll just see. This is my P. Louise base. Yeah, it does make it pop a bit more. It's a bit darker. This is my Mac Brow Sculpt Brow Pencil in Spiked. NYX's Epic Ink Liner. Pretty Vulgar. This is the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Apricot in Matte. This is the Limecrime liquid lipstick, and this is an MSLF. Alright, so I am done with the completed look, and I do like how all the products worked very nicely together. Yeah, you know what, after putting on that setting powder on that foundation, I think the luminous shine kind of toned down a little bit, which I kind of like it now. Yeah, I'm so used to wearing my double wear Estee Lauder, so yeah, I like how this one came out after the powder. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and definitely click the notification bell so you'll be notified of upcoming videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you soon in a different video. Bye.